Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to link Instagram to Facebook. First of all, you have to open your Instagram profile, then click on this profile icon and now click on settings. Scroll down and here you will find account center. Click on it and now click on add accounts. Now click on continue as your profile. So right now I'm selecting this account and clicking on continue. Yes, finish setup. And here we can see my Facebook linked with my Instagram. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.